Hey, it's Perry from Gear Diary, and we're back with the Puckipuppy Hummingbird. It's a portable e-bike. It can fold. It's got a 750 watt motor that can take you up to about 25 miles an hour. What I'm going to do today, I'm going to unbox it, I'm going to put it together, and I'll give you my first impressions. Then we'll follow up with a full written review complete with pictures on geardiary.com. You don't want to miss that, so keep watching. So the Hummingbird's all put together. It's pretty easy, honestly. I was able to do it myself in about half hour, 45 minutes. One minor issue is that the kickstand nuts were missing from the package. I don't think that was Puckipuppy's fault. There were some holes in the box from shipping, so maybe they fell out. I already talked to customer service and they're going to get them to me, so I'm not really concerned about that. But I took it for a ride around the neighborhood. It was a lot more powerful than I thought it would be. It was taking me up some hills. It's a nice bike. The seat's really comfortable. It's built really well. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to fold it. I'll give you a little bit of that info because I think that's really important for a folding bike, is to actually see what it looks like folded. So to fold it, you've got some really easy to use handles here. You just open this up. It allows you to fold the handlebar down. Then you've got this handle here. Should be able to, there you go, just flip it open. It is a little heavy, you know, I think any bike like this will be. You flip that open and it should fold right here. There you go. So there you go. It's all folded up. You can store it in the garage, throw it in the back of a truck. Not too bad. It's a little heavy, like I said. It's not easy to carry, but it's also a lot easier than a, you know, full-size bike that you can't fold up. It's a lot easier to get places. So first impressions on the Puckipuppy Hummingbirds e-bike. It's portable, it's foldable, you get a 50-mile range, and it's pretty powerful. I took it on a ride around the neighborhood. It got me up some hills. The pedal assist is really nice. You feel it kick in when you're, you know, having a little bit of trouble. The tires are nice and thick. It's got a suspension. It folds really nice. You know, it's not going to fit in the back of a sedan, but if you have an SUV or a truck, it's going to fit back there. It's a little heavy, but that's to be expected, right? The LCD screen here is a really nice touch. It shows you your current speed, the level of pedal assist you have, and your odometer, battery level, etc. It's got nice Shimano shifters. It really is a really nice, well done bike. Big old battery in there, 50 mile range. So, you know, I think it's great for commuters so far. Honestly, I'm pretty impressed so far. We're going to take it for some rides over the next couple of weeks. We're going to write a full review. You can check out that full review at geardiary.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.